All right, guys. So, okay, I just promoted a course um on Amazon KDP, and you can look at the course here. Amazon KDP for smartphones. It's $33, and I earn half of it. And then see it down here. Payment status successful. I earned $16 665 cents, just like that. Simply recommending the product to someone, and then I got paid that. Remember, I made a video last time on how to get started with the course. It's free to sign up. What are you waiting for? Sign up now, start making money as an affiliate whenever you um promote products, people's digital products, sell them and start making your money. Okay, all right, guys. If you're yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Do well to hit on the subscription button. Okay,